Hello and welcome back to my channel Free Hacking Tutorial. So in this video I'm going to show you how to convert multiple images into a single multi-page PDF file using Adobe Photoshop. So if you are also trying to make a PDF file using scanned images and you're finding out the solution to convert multiple images into multiple page PDF file, so watch this video completely to know how you can do it easily using Adobe Photoshop. So first of all, you have to open Photoshop. So let's open it. So the Photoshop version here I'm using is Adobe Photoshop Creative Cloud or Adobe Photoshop CC, or you can use the higher version also, but the older version will not work. So now after the Photoshop program is opened, then go to file, click on the file and click here automate, and on the automate on the right side you can see here PDF presentation, so click on it. Now click on browse and select all your scanned images that you would like to convert it into a PDF file. So select all the images and click open. Now from here you can rearrange or reorder your images also accordingly your phases. So now click here, by default it is selected, so you have to select this option multi-page documents, and you can change the background color also by clicking here. You can select any one of these three options. Now you can include any one of this information in your document, so I don't want to include it in my PDF file, so I deselect all this file. Now click on save. Now click here to change the file name, or you can type the name of the PDF file that you want. Now click on save. Now on this dialog box you can change the PDF preset by clicking on this drop down. You can select the quality, so select the high quality print, and on the standard option you can select none, or you can select any one of this option, and under the compatibility option you can select the latest versions, or you can select this Acrobat 9 or 10 and click on save PDF. So now the process is done. Now let's go to the locations where my file is saved. So you can see here my PDF file is already created, so let's open and see it whether all the images are there or not. So you can see here all the images are there in this PDF file with different pages. So by this way you can easily convert multiple images into multi-page PDF file using Adobe Photoshop. So if you are never known about these tricks before, then click on the thumbs like button, and if you are new to my channel, click on the subscribe button and hit the bell icon for the latest updates. And thanks for watching my video.